guys, my name's Sasha and I want to show you how to make this garden ornament with rocks from your garden. So for this project you'll need some wire. I've got this very strong hardware wire and I've got these lovely stones from the garden, and I'm going to wire wrap one like this to show you so that you can continue. I'm gonna cut it in half first, this wire. And then I'm gonna put the middle of the crystal in the middle of the wire, so it's got equal amounts on each side. And then I'm just going to twist this side, 1, 2, 3, and push it up. And then I'm going to twist this side, 1, 2, 3. This is a good way of seeing how easy it is to wire wrap pretty much anything. I think this is so much fun. Just continuing up the rock with that same 3 twists on this side, 3 twists on that side. And then I'm at the top and I just want to do 2 twists because we're going to be cutting off some of the strong wire today. And 2 twists on this side. There we go. It's going to look like that. So what I want to do now is cut off these shorter pieces like this, one from this side and one from this side. So then it looks like that. I want to twist these together a little bit. There we go. Now we need the rounded pliers to make the loop for the top. And turn it over and hold it like that, and then you just twist these around the bottom. If you want to make a spiral, you can watch one of my other videos where I show how to do that. Okay, it's going to look like that with a little extra bit there. I'm going to use these pliers to just tuck that in. There we go. And now I'm going to continue to do the rest of these and then we'll put them together. Okay, so I've wrapped all these ones. I've put some spirals on some of them. Now we want to make them into a nice long string so we can hang them. I want to pick sort of the biggest one for the middle. Got this wire here, it's quite long, I've doubled it. I'm going to put this one in the middle. So I'm just going to thread it onto the wire like this. Of course it's going to play around. Okay, then we got to like that, and then I'm just gonna hold it like this and twist, make a little loop in the wire like that. There we go. It'll look like that. Now to move on to the next one, I'm gonna put this one next. I'm gonna find of a space between that one and this one. Let me move these out of the way. And then I'm just going to do that Same thing again, hold it like this so it makes a loop and twist. There we go. That's going to be how it's going to look. Then I'll go on this side. I'm going to pick this one next. Sort of the same amount of space. If you want them all bunched together, you can just make the spaces smaller. Okay, and hold it like this and twist. I like doing 3 twists, but that's what I do with all of them. Okay, now these ones are a bit smaller. I'm going to put them on the ends. A nice gap. And twist. 1, 2, 3. Go. That. Now the last one. Thread it on. Get it to a nice space. And do the same twist. 1, 2, 3. It's going to look like that. And there you go, a beautiful ornament for your garden, using rocks from your garden. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.